Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast. We're so excited to have you here today.
Hi there, I'm Michael, and this is Sarah. Thanks for joining us for a special festive episode.
Today, we're going to learn how to talk about Christmas celebrations in English.
Perfect timing. Whether you celebrate Christmas or not, knowing this vocabulary is useful because Christmas is widely discussed in English-speaking countries.
Exactly. You'll hear these words in movies, songs, conversations, and media throughout December.
Before we begin, if you enjoy our content, please subscribe and leave us a review. It helps us so much.
We really appreciate your support. Now, Michael, do you celebrate Christmas?
I do. It's always been a big tradition in my family. We get together, exchange gifts, and have a big dinner. What about you, Sarah?
Yes, I celebrate too. My favorite part is decorating the Christmas tree with my family. We play Christmas music and drink hot chocolate while we decorate.
That sounds wonderful. See, we're already using Christmas vocabulary naturally. Let's help our listeners learn all these expressions.
Let's dive in.
Let's start with the basics. The main word is Christmas, a holiday celebrated on December 25th.
We often say Merry Christmas as a greeting. Merry means happy and joyful.
You can also say Happy Christmas, though this is more common in British English.
The period around Christmas is called the Christmas season or the holiday season.
I love the Christmas season. There's such a festive atmosphere everywhere.
Festive means related to celebration and holidays. It's a very useful adjective.
The city looks so festive with all the decorations and lights.
Another important word is celebrate. We celebrate Christmas every year.
Or, how do you celebrate Christmas? To ask about someone's traditions.
Christmas Eve is December 24th, the night before Christmas.
On Christmas Eve, my family goes to church and then comes home for dinner.
Christmas Day is December 25th itself.
On Christmas Day, we open presents in the morning and have a big lunch.
Some people also talk about the 12 days of Christmas, which runs from Christmas Day to January 5th.
Let's discuss common Christmas traditions and how to talk about them.
One major tradition is decorating. We decorate our house for Christmas.
I spent the whole weekend putting up Christmas decorations.
Putting up means installing or displaying decorations.
The Christmas tree is central to many celebrations. We set up our Christmas tree in the living room.
Or we put up the Christmas tree on the first weekend of December.
You can describe it. We have a real pine tree, or we use an artificial tree.
We decorate the tree with ornaments, lights, and tinsel.
Ornaments are decorative items you hang on the tree. They can be balls, angels, stars, or special decorations.
Tinsel is the shiny metallic strands that drape on the tree.
We put a star on top of the tree, or we place an angel at the top.
Another tradition is hanging stockings. We hang Christmas stockings by the fireplace.
Santa Claus fills the stockings with small gifts and candy.
Speaking of Santa, Santa Claus is also called Father Christmas in British English, or just Santa.
Children often write letters to Santa. My nephew wrote a letter to Santa asking for toys.
Families might visit Santa at shopping malls. We took the kids to see Santa at the mall.
Giving and receiving gifts is huge. We exchange gifts on Christmas morning.
Or we give each other presents on Christmas Day.
I wrapped all my Christmas presents last night. Wrapping means covering gifts with decorative paper.
I need to buy wrapping paper and ribbons for the gifts.
Let's talk about activities people do during Christmas time.
Many people go Christmas shopping. I went Christmas shopping downtown yesterday.
Or, I'm doing my Christmas shopping online this year.
I'm shopping for gifts, or I'm looking for presents for my family.
Some people attend Christmas markets. We visited the Christmas market and bought handmade ornaments.
The Christmas market had delicious food and beautiful crafts.
Sending Christmas cards is traditional. I sent out Christmas cards to all my relatives.
Or we received so many Christmas cards this year.
Many families bake Christmas cookies. We're baking Christmas cookies this weekend.
The house smells amazing when we bake gingerbread cookies.
Caroling is another tradition. Caroling means singing Christmas songs door to door.
A group of carolers came to our neighborhood singing Christmas carols.
Christmas carols are traditional Christmas songs like Silent Night or Jingle Bells.
Some people attend church services. We attend midnight mass on Christmas Eve.
Others watch Christmas movies. We have a tradition of watching Christmas movies together.
I love watching Home Alone every Christmas season.
Decorating gingerbread houses is fun. The kids decorated gingerbread houses with icing and candy.
Food is a huge part of Christmas. Let's learn how to talk about it.
The main meal is often called Christmas dinner or Christmas lunch, depending on when you eat it.
Some people might say, we're having Christmas dinner at my parents' house this year.
Traditional foods vary by country, but some are common. We're having roast turkey for Christmas.
Or we're preparing a ham for Christmas dinner.
In the UK, Christmas pudding is traditional. It's a dense, fruity dessert.
Mince pies are small, sweet pies filled with dried fruit and spices.
Would you like a mince pie with your tea?
Many people drink eggnog, a creamy, spiced holiday drink.
I made homemade eggnog with cinnamon and nutmeg.
Hot chocolate or hot cocoa is popular, especially with children.
We serve hot chocolate with marshmallows on Christmas Eve.
Cookies and treats are everywhere. I baked sugar cookies in Christmas shapes.
We decorated the cookies with red and green frosting.
Gingerbread is classic. I love the smell of gingerbread baking.
Candy canes are peppermint-flavored striped candies. We hang candy canes on the Christmas tree.
Let's focus specifically on decorations and how to describe them.
Christmas lights are essential. We strung Christmas lights around the house.
Or we put lights on the roof and in the trees.
You can describe colors. We have multicolored lights, or we prefer white lights.
The neighborhood is beautiful with all the Christmas lights.
Wreaths are circular decorations made of evergreen branches. We hung a wreath on our front door.
The wreath is decorated with red ribbons and pine cones.
Garland is similar to a wreath but longer. We draped garland along the staircase.
I wrapped garland around the porch railing.
Mistletoe is a plant hung in doorways. Traditionally, people kiss under it.
They hung mistletoe in the hallway.
Nativity scenes depict the birth of Jesus. My grandmother has a beautiful nativity scene.
Religious families might say, we set up the nativity scene on Christmas Eve.
Some homes have window decorations. We put Christmas stickers on the windows.
The windows are decorated with snowflake cutouts.
Gift giving has its own special vocabulary. Let's explore it.
When you buy something for someone, you say, I bought a gift for my sister.
Or, I got my brother a new video game for Christmas.
You can ask for gift ideas. What do you want for Christmas?
Or, what should I get Dad for Christmas? I'm out of ideas.
When you don't know what to buy, I'm struggling to find the perfect gift.
People might make wish lists. My kids made Christmas wish lists.
Or, I sent my family my Christmas list so they know what I'd like.
When giving a gift, you might say, "This is for you," or "I got this for you."
I hope you like it. Or, I thought of you when I saw this.
When receiving gifts, always say, "Thank you so much," or "This is perfect."
I love it. Thank you. Shows genuine appreciation.
You might also say, "You shouldn't have," which means you're touched they thought of you.
After Christmas, people sometimes return gifts. I need to return this sweater. It's the wrong size.
Or, "I'm going to exchange this for a different color."
Christmas is often about family. Let's learn how to talk about family gatherings.
We're spending Christmas with family this year.
Or, my whole family is coming over for Christmas.
We're hosting Christmas at our house, means your home is where everyone will gather.
We're traveling to my parents' house for Christmas.
You can describe the gathering. It's going to be a big family Christmas with over 20 people.
Or we're having a small, quiet Christmas this year, just immediate family.
Some families have reunion-style gatherings. We're having a family reunion over the Christmas holidays.
You might talk about who's coming. My cousins are flying in from California for Christmas.
Or who's missing. I wish my sister could be here, but she's spending Christmas with her husband's family.
Activities with family. We play board games together on Christmas Day.
After dinner, we all sit around and chat.
The kids perform a little Christmas show for the adults.
Let's talk about the atmosphere and emotions of Christmas.
People often describe Christmas spirit or holiday spirit.
I'm really feeling the Christmas spirit this year.
Or, the decorated streets really put me in the Christmas spirit.
Getting into the Christmas mood means starting to feel festive.
I'm not in the Christmas mood yet. I need to decorate and play some Christmas music.
Many people feel excited or joyful. I'm so excited for Christmas morning.
The children are filled with joy and excitement.
Some feel nostalgic, thinking fondly of past Christmases. Christmas makes me nostalgic for my childhood.
I get nostalgic when I hear old Christmas songs.
The atmosphere is often described as magical or cozy.
There's something magical about Christmas Eve.
The house feels so cozy with the fireplace and Christmas lights on.
People talk about the magic of Christmas, especially for children.
I love seeing the magic of Christmas through my kids' eyes.
We've covered so much Christmas vocabulary. Let's review the key words.
Great idea. First phrase, Merry Christmas. Repeat, Merry Christmas.
A greeting used during the Christmas season. Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Second word, festive. Repeat, festive.
Related to celebration and holidays. Joyful. The town looks so festive with all the decorations.
Third phrase, Christmas Eve. Repeat, Christmas Eve.
December 24th, the day before Christmas. We open one present on Christmas Eve.
Fourth word, ornaments. Repeat, ornaments.
Decorations hung on a Christmas tree. We collect special ornaments each year.
Fifth word, caroling. Repeat, caroling.
Singing Christmas songs, often door to door. We went caroling around the neighborhood.
Sixth phrase, exchange gifts. Repeat, exchange gifts.
To give gifts to each other. We exchange gifts on Christmas morning.
Seventh word, wreath. Repeat, wreath.
A circular decoration made of evergreen branches. We hung a wreath on the front door.
Eighth phrase, Christmas spirit. Repeat, Christmas spirit.
The feelings of joy, generosity, and celebration associated with Christmas. Everyone seems full of Christmas spirit. Let's practice how to describe your Christmas plans in conversation.
When someone asks, "What are you doing for Christmas?" you can say,
I'm going to my parents' house, or we're staying home this year.
"I'm traveling to see family," or "We're hosting Christmas dinner."
You can add details. We're spending Christmas morning at home, then going to my in-laws in the afternoon.
"I'm flying home for the holidays next week."
If you're not celebrating, you might say, I don't celebrate Christmas, but I'm enjoying the time off work.
Or, "Christmas isn't my holiday, but I appreciate the festive atmosphere."
You can ask others, do you have any special Christmas traditions?
How does your family celebrate Christmas?
Or are you doing anything special for the holidays?
Let's quickly cover common mistakes learners make with Christmas vocabulary.
First mistake, saying Happy Christmas Day. It sounds unnatural. Just say Merry Christmas.
Second, confusing gift and present. They're the same. Both are correct.
Third, saying Christmas's Day with an extra S. It's just Christmas Day.
Fourth, forgetting articles. Say, a Christmas tree, not Christmas tree.
Fifth, saying, I celebrate the Christmas. No the needed, just I celebrate Christmas.
Sixth, using Xmas in formal writing. It's casual and better for informal contexts only.
Michael, this has been such a fun and festive conversation.
I agree. I'm feeling even more excited about Christmas now.
Let's summarize what we learned today.
We explored basic Christmas vocabulary, including Merry Christmas, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and festive.
We learned about traditions like decorating Christmas trees, hanging stockings, and visiting Santa Claus.
We discussed Christmas activities such as shopping, baking cookies, sending cards, and caroling.
We covered Christmas food, including turkey, ham, Christmas pudding, eggnog, and gingerbread.
We learned decoration vocabulary, lights, wreaths, garland, ornaments, tinsel, and nativity scenes.
We practiced gift-giving expressions and how to talk about family gatherings.
We explored the Christmas atmosphere and feelings like Christmas spirit, joy, and nostalgia.
Remember, whether you celebrate Christmas or not, this vocabulary helps you understand English-speaking cultures better.
And it helps you participate in conversations during December when Christmas is widely discussed.
Time for our question of the day.
This one is fun and festive.
Here it is. What's your favorite Christmas tradition? Or if you don't celebrate Christmas, what's your favorite winter holiday tradition?
Let me answer first. My favorite Christmas tradition is baking cookies with my mom. We use her grandmother's recipes, and it connects me to my family history.
That's beautiful. So you could write, my favorite Christmas tradition is baking cookies with my family.
What about you, Shara?
My favorite tradition is driving around to look at Christmas lights on Christmas Eve. We make hot chocolate, get in the car, and spend the evening admiring all the decorated houses.
Lovely. My favorite tradition is looking at Christmas lights on Christmas Eve.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Share your tradition.
Maybe it's opening one gift on Christmas Eve, attending a special service, watching a particular movie, or having a special meal.
If you're not celebrating, share your favorite winter holiday tradition. Maybe it's celebrating another holiday or just enjoying winter activities.
Write your answer in the comments. We love learning about different traditions from around the world.
Your responses help build our wonderful international community.
Thank you so much for joining us for this festive episode.
We hope you learned useful vocabulary for talking about Christmas in English.
Whether you're celebrating Christmas, another holiday, or simply enjoying the season, we wish you joy and happiness.
If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to English Podcast and share it with your friends.
We create new lessons regularly to help you speak English naturally and confidently.
Next episode, we'll explore another practical topic for everyday English conversation.
Until then, practice using these Christmas expressions in conversations.
Watch English Christmas movies, listen to Christmas carols, or simply observe the holiday atmosphere around you.
From both of us, happy holidays to you and your loved ones.
Whatever you celebrate, we hope your season is filled with warmth, connection, and joy.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and enjoy the festive season.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Happy holidays!
Goodbye!
Take care.